Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So from today we are going to start building our scrapbook, and as promised I am going to share with you some easy scrapbooking ideas. So let's get started. So before we start with scrapbooking, I already made a couple of pages in this scrapbook. I'll do a quick flip through and then we'll continue with scrapbooking. So this was the page that I showed you guys in the last video. In the second page, I stuck the flight ticket and the picture of the plane that my mom took before boarding. Now this page I wanted it to be colored because every now and then I will add color pages in my scrapbook to bring a little texture and to make it more attractive. Now I wrote memories here in a Scrabble like effect. And second thing that I want to talk to you guys about in this page is this design. Now I love this design and it brings a aesthetic effect to the page. Just tear a piece of newspaper, stick it, and on it paste some first aid tape, and you can write anything, any note or anything personal to a picture, and it will look amazing. Now in this page I use some glitter tapes. Now these pages I decided to keep it simple. I made some arrows and wrote something that is personal to these pictures, and I put the pictures in a little brackets like design. In this I put a flower like bracket, and yeah, I decided to keep these pages simple. Now from here we'll continue with the scrapbook. Now as you can see, there are some prints from the background, so we'll make this pages colored, and yeah, let's get started. So I just finished with this page. Now I don't know how the recording cut off in between, but I was almost done. Yeah, so this is the finished result. I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for this and more, I'll see you on the next video. Till then, happy scrapbooking.